day. I don't come again with another Ogbonge news. If you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, make una do subscribe and don't forget to turn on that notification bell, make you get Ogbonge and first class update from us. My people, not be small drama. They face Mercy Johnson. So many dramas are going on around her, and it can't be saying at this period when she dey mourn her papa will die. So women can't go media house, can't they talk say then they find Mercy Johnson. They make them help her find Mercy Johnson and Daniel Johnson. One na old woman, the other one na advanced lady. The old woman na Ghanaian. I say Mercy Johnson na from Ghana. Say they don't they find them since when they be small pikin. Say the woman not fit bear her again. Now make her come out, now come find the children. So now the other advanced lady can say she na elder sister. You can't bring photo. You can't say this one are the two of them. Say that they find them since. Say they don't they missing for years. Say they no you know how they say waka. Say that they find them. Say if anybody know about their whereabouts, say they do well to tell them. Inside this one, so when people come they talk say, hey oh, do mother old or when Mercy Johnson really come talk whether na mama or so. Another woman come still come again, come talk say na she be Mercy Johnson mama. Yeah, people not be smart, you know. She come say she come from Cameroon. Her husband na Kogi. Say Mercy na Kogi because her husband na from Kogi. She say all this thing happen when she come out go see her papa because they tell her say her papa no way. Now she take come out. Say as she take come out, nothing's just this scatter. Say the husband can't give her children to person. They don't know they give the children to. Say now there they start to define. She herself start to define her children. Say she don't spend money tire to find her children for how many years. She can say Mercy can't get in touch with her. Say make she come Nigeria where they do testing, and so she just say run no, take come Nigeria come do test. So when they go hospital, when she go hospital, Mercy husband come talk say he know they pay for her. Oh no, say now only his wife now he go pay for. Say the woman go pay for her own herself. He say when he come marry Mercy, he not see the woman for this. Say not be the woman carry money for his hand. Say he no understand wetin dey happen. So he know they pay for her. My people, how many of you talk? I will play on the video. Make una watch this video. This one are the Ghanaian woman where they cry, say they look for Mercy.
Otherwise,
she don't find Mercy. Mercy tired
because of you people. It wasn't her making for not looking for you people. But it was
help her interpret. This one are the other woman where say come from Cameroon. Say her husband are from Kogi. They gonna listen to the story.
Mercy called me my daughter, my second child. Mercy Johnson, my second child. My first son is not in the car. So Mercy realized that I'm still alive. She now called for me. Please, Mercy, no vex for the hospital with 2 persons, plus he said 3 of them. When they reach for that place, so your husband questioned me, say he no person will take bride price. He don't know me. I said, how you do know me? If I not to choose myself for you, you can't know me. Now this blood test to show who I am with you and Mercy. I know that Mercy, my wife, I'm not here to take away your wife or to say may your wife not be your wife again. I'm here to just connect myself with my children and go back where I did. Please. The husband now said, no, I should pay my blood test. The husband said he will pay in Mercy blood test. He don't pay for me. That one na embarrassment with that. I say, why you not tell me? That time Mercy they call me for Cameroon. Say, Mama, that day, I don't forget that day. That day will be on Wednesday. Say, Mama, right now, if you really know, say, you be na my mother, intermoto come. Immediately that very that time, I just stand up, take my few clothes, put inside handbag, traveling bag. I lock my door. nobody. Na later when they come know say, when they ask say where I dey, and I later call my family, they say I dey Nigeria. I want to meet him. When Mercy tell me say, make I just come immediately. I obey and I come. Reaching this year, this today like this, Mercy never even ever ask me again. Say where you dey, how you dey live, or go back, or stay.
If you tell us how you take Miss Mercy, like how una take disconnect.
Guys,
Wetin happen? We make
when
you
I
and
dey
Mercy.
Nigeria, my husband is from Kogi. We dey Nigeria.
You from Kogi.
Me? No, I'm from Cameroon. I'm a Cameroonian. And my husband from Kogi. So when my father is sick for Cameroon, my mother gongon, no be say my mother sent person, but my father sent person. And my mother say come down to Benue State. He say my father say he wan see grandpikin. He don reach age where if he himself say he go die for this sick where he is sick. My mother say my father say make I come with my children, with my husband, make he see them for the last time. Well, my father will be an age person, he don't old well. So my husband said for now like this, you know get transfer, they will transfer all of us because some road they will take water inside bush roads. By then, I dey pregnant. 1 month pregnant. Mercy follower the day age of 1 year, 4 months, 5 months, sorry. So I get to carry them. My husband said I should carry that small one to leave Mercy and the brother. Where I go because I get to trek some route they will enter trek by leg because of if you don't get enough money for pass through a come to enter Cameroon, you get to trek bush route because of transportation. So when my husband said in 2 months time he will call me, he will send me transfer to come back. If it happen, say my father died. My husband said if it happen, say my father died, I should make all possible means to send her the message so that he will come do burial for my father. So that all of us will come back. Fortunately, my husband keep my 2 children with 1 woman. Her name called Pauline. My husband traveled, go get accident and die. My husband get accident and die. So this woman, I don't know how managed. She handled my children when my children come this country and scatter like this. I don't understand about the woman. I never ever hear about this woman again. Reaching today, I never hear about it. See that time when I get pregnant, when I go take care of my father, I see my father. Finally, my father died. I bury my father. I don't hear about my husband again. I send message, no reply. I call my family, they say, I better stay, go to bed, before my dice. I don't get tired. I don't feel trek again from Cameroon to here. So I no get no money. When I go there, I no do no business. So I now stay. When I stay, I come put to bed. Can we tell you the truth? I leave my
people now the highlight of the woman story. Now we just watch, so how na reason the matter. This one not be small thing, no. Anyway, now the entertainment news will bring come for una be this, so make una do well to like and share. My people una do.
Fire when the storm hits you.
That's it, friend.